how to use promo codes in Raid Shadow Legends. So once you're in your main screen over here, you should be able to find something like this on the left, the triple bar button. Press on that and you should be able to find these options. So right here in the left is the promo codes option. Press on that and then you'll be led here. So once you have your promo code, just put it here, and if it's active and still usable, just go ahead and press and confirm and you should be able to get the rewards. But if you don't have this option in your game, maybe you're on your iOS, then what you're going to have to do is go to your preferred browser. Right here we're going to Bing. So as long as you have a browser open, that's fine. So just search for something like Raid Shadow Legends redeem promo code, and eventually you should be able to find something like Plarium.com, which is the official website where you can redeem your promo codes. So press on that one, and once it's done loading, just go ahead and put in your player ID so you can find it in your profile, and then the promo code. So once you go ahead and press on confirm, it should send the rewards for that specific promo code into your Raid Shadow Legends account and profile in the email or messages or wherever it can be found. It should be there. But if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.